Hi Phil, thanks very much for the question. You sent in about your Baumatic cooker, and I'm doing a video response so you can actually see the part that I'm talking about. You say you've got a Baumatic B630MC. Now I found it very hard to find any information on this cooker whatsoever, because I found out the cooker is actually manufactured for Baumatic by a Chinese company called Midea. And they are very bad at supplying the information when it comes to spare parts and technical information to be able to repair the oven. But you did send me some very useful information. You said the cooling fan is noisy and you want to replace it. You've had a look around and a lot of the parts that you found have been discontinued, but you did tell me that it was an MDA-31S written on the side of the motor, and it was a 30 watt. Well, I did a bit of research for you, and I've only got a limited amount of stock of these. These fan motors are a 3-terminal motor. All the measurements for this part I will put on the link in this video for you, which will take you through to a web page that will have this on there. As I said, I've only got 5 or 6 in the warehouse at the moment. Basically, do take note of the way the blades are angled. You'll notice there's a slight curve, so it's forcing the air into here to come out of here. If it's the other way round, you don't really have to worry, because you can take the blades out of this and rotate it round. It is possible to do that, but at least you would have the whole motor system. And I was gobsmacked how much this motor was. I found it on a couple of websites and they were trying to charge £140 for this fan motor, which is ludicrous. We've got them. I've only got limited stock, as I said, and I think they're £40 or £50 that I've got them on the actual site for. So I hope all this information helps you. Have a quick look at the motor. Do remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if I am helping you. And there are the electrical connections on there. And the identification label for this motor is just on a little plate that you can see there. Okay, hope all this information helps you. Good luck with your repair.